Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to access files offline in Dropbox mobile application. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to access files offline in Dropbox. As you can see, this right here is the interface for Dropbox once you have logged in. Now let's say I want to access some of these files offline. I'm simply gonna click on one random file. Now let's say I want to access this exact file offline. You can see these three buttons are simply called as Move. Just click on it. And from here, as you can see, there are a lot of options like rename, move, duplicate and downloads. But right now, what we're gonna focus on is this Make Available Offline button. And right next to it, there is a button like this. Simply toggle it on. And guys, that is it. Once you toggle on this button, this file will be made available offline. Likewise, you can do for other files and folders as well. That's about it, guys. That's how you make files available offline in Dropbox mobile application. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.